Hey, what's going on guys? So welcome to the setup vlog where I'm going to be revamping the setup a little and yeah, basically making it setup wars eligible. So kudos to Edgar from TechSauce because most of this setup has been inspired by watching setup wars. So yeah, kudos to him. And basically for today's episode we are going to be changing up the walls. Okay, so the walls have already been painted. I've painted them like a long time ago to this grayish bluish tint and it looks amazing. So now I'm going to, as you can see here, the acoustic panels, as you can see, it's not a straight line guys. It is not straight. Okay, so we are going to be switching this up and it also looks like egg cartons from far. So you can see, it looks like some egg cartons. So yeah, press, it's all squishy. So what I did is this thing is pretty thin. Okay, so to make it thick I glued it to a piece of polystyrene and then stuck it up to the wall with some sun and it's easily breakable. So yeah, so I'm going to be taking these down and replacing them with wall panels. Okay, so here are the wall panels right here. There's a lot of them. I got a lot of them. Okay, and to match the setup, and if you don't already know, the setup is a gray, wooden and black theme. So to keep it with the theme, we are also painting these white black. So I got this for 2 ringgit per piece guys. 2 ringgit, that's so damn cheap. I'll put the conversion on screen right now. So it's 2 ringgit per piece. I got 16 of them to fill up the entire wall. I wouldn't say the entire wall, just the section where the acoustic panels are covered right now. Maybe just a bit higher. So something like that. So just cover this fully. And we have painted them black and look at how the black ones look. They look majestic guys. Okay, these have been already painted but I haven't put a clear coat on them to give them a glossy finish. So I'll do that later after painting all of them. So the painting process is going on now. I've painted I think about 5 of them and there's a lot more to go. Okay, so basically this is the condition of the set. Don't look down there. Okay,
stop it, get some help.
So this is the condition of the setup right now. And if you can see just an arm here, if you have seen the previous vlog, the dorm room setup, that's where that monitor went. The monitor is in my dorm room and I've only come here for a couple weeks and I'll be going back there for my university studies, so I've been using the monitor there. So I will finish my studies in about 3 months ish. So after 3 months I'll just bring back the monitor. So yeah, for now I've been only using my 29-inch LG ultra wide. It's pretty sick. Okay, so basically this is the PC. I've never shown the setup on this channel that much, but yeah, basically this is the setup we're rocking right now. And also I've been thinking of adding lights behind the monitor so it will reflect onto the glossy wall panels, make it look like diamonds. It will look so sick. And it also fits my case theme. Also sorry for the quality if the footage is a bit grainy. I'm using my iPhone 13 to record this video and the only light source is the daylight. Maybe if I stand here, yeah, maybe this looks better. Okay, so basically this is the setup right now. I'll go a full walkthrough through the setup once everything is complete and revamped. So that's about it guys. Let's move on to the video.